Hi everyone, my name is Tony Carcamo and I want to thank all the new users that have joined the DFW BIM Infrastructure User Group. So if you've never used MeWe, I want to thank everyone that signed up for it and signed up for the group. And the first step when you first log in and you get the invite to the user group, because it is private, that way we don't have, robots or fake accounts into our group. So when you first get in, to access the user group, you want to click on the groups at the very top. And then you have the groups that you're following or got accepted to join. So here I have two groups, my group and another group I'm following. So I click on the DFW here, and you can see all the posts I've made, videos, posts. And on the right here is actually the group chat. That's everybody that's member to the DFW user group. And here you can see a group discussion. You can make it bigger. And you can see everybody that's kind of having conversation, a group discussion about just different products and software and industry. So, okay, just want to give you that. So if you want to make a post about, hey, a technical question, you can either put it on the chat, here on that group chat, or you can come into the forum here and post a question. If you have a general technical question, or you want to share a tip and trick, you can come in and do it in here. So as you can see here, you can insert a photo, a file, a video, a gift, polls, and a voice. The voice doesn't work that great. So, but notice here in the middle, that's where you're seeing it's being posted to the group. That's very important. Make sure that that shows up, okay? Because if you go to the home tab, this is the home platform, and let's say you're following pages just like Facebook. There's Facebook pages you can follow. If you go up top and hit post, that is posting onto the MeWe platform where only your contacts can see this. You also have close friends, just like Facebook, and then you got the public. So if you want to post something like the Olympics, you can click on the public here and then post something like, I love the Olympics tonight, this was fun watching. You can post it now. It's just like Facebook or Twitter. You're posting it out to the open public. So you have those three options here, as you can see here, to post. But if you want to post to the group, you have to hit the group button here and then go to the group here to post. So the chat is if you have an open kind of a private discussion with the with other members that are on your contact. So if you want to talk to them, you can hit it add them to your contact. So there's 124 members in the user group here. You can have private discussion with them. There's actually the group chat, but you can have private discussions here. Now there is an option here up the upper right hand corner, not on the group chat, but the individual chats that you can video and audio call, but you have to sign up for the subscription for that. It's under the MeWe chat. The MeWe store. So up the upper right hand corner there is the MeWe store. So here you can purchase subscriptions for emojis and different stuff like that for gifts. I got the subscription for video and voice where I can video and call you. I had to get a subscription for cloud storage since I'm uploading videos all the time. So I needed cloud storage. And then I also bought themes, how the themes look. So yours is probably white, mine is black. I have three different themes. The blue steel, the black dark theme, and I think I got the vintage theme. So you can download and purchase those themes and use them. So that's why mine looks black. I'm using the dark theme. So pages, it's just like Facebook. You can follow pages. You can come in here, click on the pages, and see. If you want to follow anything else, there's thousands of pages. You go the pages, and then you go down to browse pages, and you can see all the different companies and titles, veterans or military or comedy or something. You can follow different pages, just like Facebook. But if you're looking for a particular group, you can go up to the search and you can type in like Olympics or something, or veterans. And you can see the private groups that people may have created. So here's a member using the Olympics term. And at the bottom here, there's groups. And then down here is chats, who's made the hashtag post Olympics. So on the left, you see members, pages, groups, chats, and posts. So here you can follow pages. You can follow, like you said, there's all kinds of businesses and organizations that's underneath the pages and stuff. So, and then events. And the events up top here is showing you events that you posted out to the public, and also events that you're following a group. So here it's showing me things that outside of the user group that I posted about registration and sign up for. But if you want to see what's happening in the user group, you need to click the home tab, the group tab, and then go to DFW, and then here under events in the middle you can see that, hey, these are the ones I posted for the user group. So if you want to invite members, I think you can hit the member tab and go to invite members, and you can invite them. What I'm going to do is get the notification, and then I can add them to the group. They're not going to be able to see the group until I add them on there. So like I said, just post. You can post videos, or just post on here, or chat privately with other members if you want. So, but I just want to thank everyone for using the platform. Like I said, you can use it for other personal things. The platform MeWe, go in there and post things about the Olympics, or start your own user group and stuff. So like I said, I'm following another user group called Health and Wellness. It's kind of a different topics on health, wellness, eating right, and stuff like that. So and I kind of follow this group here. So all right, thank you, everybody. Be sure to share about the group on your social media. The more people we have, the more interactions we have, the better the group and the better the experience. All right, thanks.